Hello, my name is Brendan Higgins, and I'm one of the instruction reference librarians in the library. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can search for specific journals, magazines, and other periodicals. The library provides access to a wide variety of academic journals and popular magazines. They can be located in a few different databases, and we don't always provide access to every issue of every publication. Fortunately, the library offers search tools that can help us easily locate specific publications, and that can tell us which issues are available to you through the library to access. The main tool we can use is the Journal/Magazine title search option on the library homepage. You might also see this listed as Publication Finder, like in the top bar when you use the augmented search. We can use this search bar to find specific titles, or we can use it for searching for a subject and see related publications to that subject. On the results page, you'll find a list of where you can access the journal articles in full text through these drop-down menus. You'll often find that more than one database offers access to a journal, but they may differ in what years or issues are accessible. You may also see two results for one journal, so you might want to compare that information too. You'll find the option to perform a search within that journal, or you can click on one of the database links in order to browse for a specific issue or article. When searching for a journal, sometimes you'll encounter the journal's publisher site or a major journal database like JSTOR or Gale. They all have slightly different appearances, but usually the same features, like the ability to download articles and obtain citations. I'll mention that databases from Gale usually only provide the article's text in the browser, but if you want to see the article as it appears in the journal, you can see that by downloading the PDF. Another database that you might encounter is Flipster, which hosts many of our magazines. The site provides the latest issue of select music magazines and limited access to older issues within the last few years. In fact, you'll first be taken to the latest issue, and then you can navigate to older issues from the sidebar on the right. The magazine reader is easy to navigate and pages are downloadable. The final database that I'll mention is called Rock's Back Pages, and it's a little different and won't appear in the journal magazine searches. This site contains articles and music reviews about major artists by prominent music writers from a variety of publications. You can locate the database under Online Research Resources, and then by looking under R or limiting our listing to journals and periodicals. You can browse by subject, publication, and author, or search for a specific artist. Searching for a major artist will provide a select list of articles, sometimes from reviews of early records at their time of release to more recent articles. Thank you for watching this overview. If you ever have trouble accessing the full-text versions of articles, feel free to reach out to a librarian, either through the Ask a Librarian or Ask Us Live button on the library homepage. Have a great day.